today's video, we are going to see how we can use a very interesting tool called the Q&A. Q&A means questions and answer. Power BI has this tool called Q&A, which has some intelligence that you just type some text and it's going to really analyze your data, deep into your data, and bring out some meaningful insights in your data. We can see where we simply type maximum profit and we have it. We can type something like profit versus sales versus sale. We have pi. We can of course make it bar, and then we have bar charts. Our data set is the sales data set. We can see we have customer name, category, product, quantity, unit price, total sales, and profit. Right, so let's load our data set. Now we can see our sales data set, and the columns we have are also here, right? Profit, quantity, total sales, and the rest of them. Importantly, I want us to take note of the date, which is an important variable in our analysis today. So to work with the Q&A, all we need to do is to click this icon here, the Q&A icon that looks like a chart icon. Select it, we can expand it. So let me do some formatting to make the questions appear bold. Select style. Where we have question field, let's make this 20. So we can see here we have ask a question about your data. This tool has some intelligence. It analyzes our data automatically. All we need to do is to give it the right prompt, and we're going to get output on our data set. And that's why this tool is very exciting. This is one of the most exciting visuals and what makes Power BI stand out among other visualization tools. Now, if we look at the blue buttons here as several recommended charts. For example, I can simply click on total profit, and I'm going to see the total profit displayed. You can see so that our total profit is 172.8 thousand. I can cancel it and select another. We have how many products are there. Just click and it's going to give us there are 25 products in our data set. Isn't that amazing? We can close this and then see all suggestions. So these are suggestions, right, of quick hands-on analysis we can do. So for instance, I can see the average profit for each quantity. So I select this and it's going to create this visual for us, showing us for each quantity that there is an average profit. We can see the higher the quantity, the higher the profit, right? So this is an interesting thing. But now let's go ahead and see how we can even achieve more with this visual. So let's cancel this. Let's say we want to ask this question. We want to ask date with the highest sale. Now you can see this is the date with the highest sale. It's able to extract that. Of course, we can say date with the lowest sale, right? So date with the highest sale is telling us is 9th of January 2024. Now let's verify that by creating a chart that will show us everything, and then we'll be able to figure out if this intelligence is really true. Let's type sale for each date or day. Now you can see we have this sales for each day. Let's go to this and see. Of course, this is Tuesday, January 9, 2024, is where we have the peak sale. And the total sale for that day is 56.4K, right? We can see it here clearly. Now, let's go ahead and have more details. Let's see the specific value. So instead of sale for each day, let's give a specific prompt. So let's say we have total sale on date is equal to, so we now put the particular date. So let's see, date is equal to, we just put 1/9/2024, and we select. You can see on that date, this is the sales, and it's absolutely correct, right? So this is how easy we can use this tool. Let's go ahead and see even more exciting things. For instance, we can say we want to see a trend that shows profit versus sales. So to do that, we just simply type profit versus sales versus sale, and let's give it the other prompt that says plot it for us as a trend. Now just look at this. We have profit, we have sales, and we have the trend line. Let's say we want to correlate them. So instead of plot trend, we can say scatter plot, right? We can say scatter plot and then trend. Can you see? These are the points. These are the points where we have, for each total sales, the profit made. And you can see this is clearly a positive correlation. Very simple. We just create visuals by just typing words. Now let's see if we can create some common visuals like pie charts and the rest of them. To create a pie chart, we can simply change the scatter plot to pie. Now, so profit versus sale, pie. I just write pie. And so easy. You can see the pie chart is here. We can format it to the way we want. Very easy. Now finally, let's see how we can even create subtables with this data set. Let's type a prompt like profit times 0.05. We're trying to calculate tax, right? So let's say tax is profit times 0.05. You can see this is the total tax. But let's say for each profit, then table. So we want it tabulated. Just look at this. Very simple. So for each day, we have the profit and the tax calculated. Very simple. Thanks for watching.